Hey there, I'm Britt, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we're over at a very popular neighborhood in the heart of Panama City Beach, Harrison's Walk. Very convenient to shops, restaurants, and the beach. And as you can see, a gorgeous community pool. Let's go check out this home. We are downstairs at this adorable little beach cottage at Harrison's Walk. Open concept on this first floor with living and dining. Nice big center island, plenty of counter space, cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, tile flooring so you don't have to worry about getting the sand in the carpet, and plenty of space. There's a nice neutral color palette throughout the home, so it'll be easy to decorate, and again, no carpet to worry about on the second floor as well. If you saw anything that piqued your interest, make sure you click on the links below. There you'll find listing information, more details, and photos about this great property. And wait, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals in Panama City Beach.